Hi friends, my name is Sandhya Dimbar. Today's video topic is different clauses in a SQL. So we are discuss about in first what are clauses in SQL. Clauses in SQL are similar to conditional in high level language. SQL being a query language required the method to apply constraint on the data and for these we use clauses. We have a large variety of SQL clauses like a where clause, union clause, order by clause, etc. Clauses help us to restrict and manage the data using valid constraint on a data in our database. So we are discuss about use of the SQL clauses. Some the clauses of SQL are as follows. First is a allow us to apply constraint on a data, help us to reduce the complexity of the query. With the help of clause, we can filter the data according to our requirement. Fourth is a allow us to restrict the member of output we need. Then fifth is a help in writing user friendly queries which are easy to read and understand. Then next point is the following are the various clauses in SQL. First is a group by, second is a having, third order by, fourth where, fifth select, six update, seven insert, eight delete, 9 union, 10 limit, 11 like, and then 12 last is a join clause. So we are discuss about in a brief. First is a order by clause. Uh, SQL group by statement is used to arrange identical data into group. A group by statement is used with the SQL select statement. The group by statement follows the where clause in a select statement and precedes the order by clause. Then the order by statement is used with aggregation function. Then next clause is a having. Having clause is used to specify search condition from the group or an aggregate. Having is used to group by clause. If you are not using group by clause, then you can use having function like a where clause. Then next is a order by. The order by clause is sort the result set in ascending order or descending order. In the record, it is ascending order is by default. DESE keyword is used to sorted record in a descending order, and ASC is using clause use the clause set in ascending order. And then next clause is a where clause in SQL. It is the integral part. It is the integral part of any queries and allow us to apply constraint on the queries output. Then next clause is a select clause. Select clause is used to query the database and display the output. Then sixth clause is a update clause. Allow us to update the record present in our database. Next is a insert clause. Insert clause is used to if we insert the data into our database. Then next clause is a delete. With the delete clause, we delete the existing record from the table. Then next is a union clause. Union clause help us to combine the data from the different table in a single queries. Then next is a limit clause in SQL help us to limit the number of result from the query we run on our database. Then next is a like clause in a SQL. With the use of like clause, we can get the output which match the exact expression or pattern in required by us. Then last point is a join clause in a SQL. Used to the combine of the data from multiple table into a single query by using one or more columns in to match the data. Uh, Thank you.